When students are using this activity, you're going to want to keep it in this format so that they can drag the Legos over to the colored squares. This is a simple coding concept where they are just matching the colors. So the commands are here with the red, the yellow, the blue, and the green circles. And the command is to match the color brick to the color circle. And they're going to follow that command by dragging them over. And they keep dragging until the Legos are gone. And I say until the Legos are gone because some pages have multiple bricks stacked up. And it's up to you how many pages they do. That gets a little bit more complicated where they have to engage in some abstraction and decide which Legos to drag over and which do not get dragged over. So for example, in this one, there isn't an orange circle, so they would not drag over the orange brick. And that engages them in some abstractional thinking, which is part of the computational thinking process. So you can share this either through a link in Seesaw or Clever, or you can even just pop it up on on the students' tablets, and they can drag and drop over there as well. Don't worry about whether or not they resize the bricks. That happens frequently with young learners. The more important thing is that they drag the correct color over to the correct circle. That's the most important thing as they're practicing that concept of coding.